Hey guys, it's Abhishek here. What we're going to do right now is we already had uh, we already had our app set up last time around, and just a quick thing which I wanted to do is mention that when you run your uh, Node app and you get something like well the something like deprecated promises and generally errors like that happen when your mon is not running. I was I wasn't able to set it up for the past half an hour, but yeah. So to do that, let's head straight into and make some changes. In our index.js file, what we're going to do is at the moment things don't look quite good for us here. Well, it can't really do that because I had deleted some things, and let's forget about it. And this is how we are going to get the comments. This is going to be a very short video, and we're going to get the comments from our database to our app, and not going to post. The posting will be done in another video. So what we're going to do here is pass URL as a prop, and inside that, what we'll do is write HTTP / localhost / 3100 comments. I guess that is a well, yeah, comments. That is what we did. And if we do a get request, we see that we have these three comments, and well, we should be getting that. But also, we're going to pass um, another prop, which is going to be polling total. What this is going to do is the API would be called after this much interval. And let's go inside our comment box now, and we'll have a function to render comments from DB, and also we're gonna have a function to post comments from DB. Uh, well, also we're gonna remove this part, data, and we're gonna import Axios, because that is how we are going to interact with our database. So let's import Axios from Axios. We already have that. If you see our package.json, we already have Axios here. Okay, so let's remove that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make some changes. What we're going to do now is we are going to make this function. Let's call it load comments. Comments. Okay. And let's do an axios.get, and inside the get request we are going to pass this props.url, which is the URL we'll be getting, and then we'll render a request, and inside that we'll have a response. And what we're going to do with that response is we are going to set state uh, to data equals response, I think, res.data. And when we do that, I guess it would work, but obviously we are going to have to bind this. So this dot load comments equals this dot load comments dot bind. We're going to pass this. And upon doing that, we should get, okay, yeah, you get some kind of, yeah, we are gonna have to use component, we're gonna have to use lifecycle methods. If you don't, this is something which will happen, that it'll continuously ping it. So whenever you get an error like this, know that, well, you have to use lifecycle methods. So we're going to use component did mount, not mount, mount, and in that we are going to call this dot load comments the first time, and then we are going to set interval, and we are going to call this dot load comments in that every not set interval, poll interval, every 2 seconds. When we do that, this should take off. No, it doesn't. It definitely doesn't. Okay. We are not to do this. I still have to get a hold of ES6. This. Wow. I did not expect that. Now, poll interval is undefined. This dot prop. This dot props. How about that, guys? This dot props dot poll interval. And when I do that, it re-renders, and we get that error connection is refused to us. We get that every 2 seconds. So at least we know that it's working. Check our URL once, which is here. Idiot. This is gonna be the URL. And let's hope that things work now. There we go. They work, but we get an error that we have to set a unique ID to every prop. Well, all of these should have an ID, and we are going to use this ID that is provided to us by Mongo. So let's go to comment list, and all we have to do is put an underscore here, because that is how the new IDs are saved. And when we do that, you'll see that there we go, that error is gone. Let me remove that, and let's just push a comment there. And if we do a post request and we pass in somebody by Kenzie Dodds, well, he's the guy I look up to for JavaScript things, and let him comment. What would he say? Keep going, Abhishek. Yeah. Oh, guys, I need to pat myself on the back every once in a while. So when I do a send, and it should upload here. There we go. We get that. So that is this is all we're going to do in this video. Next, what we'll be doing is we'll be posting directly from here to here. So yeah, thank you.